All right. So I promised you I would explain what I did. I entered a bunch of code here and I didn't explain it, and now you're all mad at me and you're like, I'm lost. I got you. I am so very aware. So the menu value is still none, correct? And here we can change this, but right now it's technically still uncontrolled. Because if you actually look in your main component, does the menu value change if I change this to coffee or bakery or specials? It stays at menu value, right? So this is, again, it's known as an uncontrolled component. And what I was doing here when I created this on menu selected event handler is I want to pass it to this select right here. So I want to say, hey, this select should have a value equal to this.state.menu value as before. Yes, I know. This is what I should have done before. You're right. I did them out of order. That's on me. I apologize. That was not clear. But what I was trying to do here is I was trying to wire this up to be a controlled select component. So the value is this.state.menu value. There it is. Right now, it should be none, right? So if we save this, the value should be none, no matter what. Let's see. We go into our main. We check it out. Where you at, main? There you are. The menu value is none. Cool, if I change it, nothing should change. And notice how I actually can't even click bakery or coffee or specials now. Good. Now, what do we have to do? Well, we have to take this on menu selected and we need to pass it to our select item here as an on change handler. So on change, when this thing changes, what do? We say this.on menu selected and we save. And now it is finally a controlled component. Cool, you connected to React. Thank you. Check out the main. There it is. It says none. I'm flipping it to coffee. Oh, now it's coffee. Cool. I'm flipping it to bakery. And it's bakery. Flipping it to specials. And now it's time for some specials. So this is what I had meant to do there. I apologize. It was all convoluted. I didn't even go into the basics. I just skipped over that. But it's really nice. This is starting to come together. Now we can have the person select which of these things they want to pick. And then we want to pop up a new thing and have them select a new item. And this is just lovely. I absolutely love it. I hope you love it too, because you've been doing it for 2.5 hours now, almost 3 hours. And a lot of you are going to have to go home pretty soon, I'm guessing. Yes, okay. That's fine. At least at the end of today, you'll be like, hey, I learned how to build React apps. And React is used by companies like Netflix and all these other huge companies to make their real products. So production apps are using React all the time, and you are now one of those people. So go get yourself an internship and then give me 10% of whatever you earn. No, okay. Sounds about right. So I got sidetracked, but now we're back in the game. So once a user selects a menu category, they'll also need to select an item from that category. And so actually, here's what I want you to do right now. See if you can add another select element here that holds a list of menu items that are listed in that category. So if the user selects, say, coffee, like this, coffee, then we want to display a coffee select that has all the coffee menu items and their prices. Now, where should you put that? Well, right here, we're rendering the menu select, right? And down here, we say, hey, this.render menu select. What I want you to do is I want you to come down here, and I want you to only render this new select if the user has picked a certain category. So you could actually extract it into this.render menu item select. So I'm going to say this.render menu item select, okay? And then I want you to go up here and I want you to create that method. So right below render menu select, create one called render menu item select. And I want you to use the template that we just created here. And I want you to do the same thing. Yes, Anira? Sure. I mean, you know what? You do it however you want. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I just want to see if you can take the same concept we just did right here. And yeah, I agree. It's even more complicated. You're right. I just want to see if you can do it. Give it a shot. See if you can, depending on whatever the menu value state item is, I want you to create a select just like we did here, where the options are equal to the items in the menu. Give it a shot, see if you can do it. We'll come back together, I'll give you the answer in a little bit. So do you want me to do it in this video, or do you want me to end the video here, make it a really short video, and then go to the next one? End it here, go to the next one? Okay, that's fine. We're gonna have a lot of videos here, you know that, right? Cool, you're right, more views, awesome. Thank you for giving me my views. I can make, actually, I don't think I make any money off these videos, I'll be perfectly honest with you.